June has been a pretty full month for me, and it all started with a ride on the Burg down to see my friend Paul, who'd come over from England to Pattaya. Riding at this time of year is a mixture of bright sunlight and heavy showers. Whoa, I got totally drenched there. Let's see it again in slow motion. Not long after, I arrived at the hotel. I was wet, but I got changed and I enjoyed the evening's hospitality. There was a wonderful sunset as the rain had stopped, and a nice evening followed. Day 2 and good weather for the ride down in time for sausage and mash. Here's more of some of the happenings and things that I enjoyed in Pattaya. Pin had undertaken to expand her little chalet business at Tepin Lake, so after quite a redevelopment we'd completed it. As well as the chalet you've just seen, there's an indoor dining area, an outdoor dining area and a new outdoor kitchen area. And having completed it, it was time to ask a monk to bless the project. And of course, there were all the usual activities for a month here in rainy season Chiang Mai.